What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Desiree, and I'm back on the cam with another video. And like I always say, if they can do it, we can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Get up and grind. But look, as y'all can see by the thumbnail, title, all that, today we making Kool-Aid pie. I seen this on Funny Mike Mama channel, and I was like, I know how to do that. But we gonna do my version because she was learning. I ain't did this since like 8th grade, but we gonna start. I got 4 different kinds. I really don't know which one I want to make, but I know I want to try to mix them. I ain't never mixed them. So strawberry tropical punch or tropical punch strawberry, whatever you want to call it, or blue raspberry strawberry. Strawberry blue raspberry. I don't know. But what you need is some Kool-Aid Whip, graham cracker pie crust. Let me take that out. A spoon, a handy dandy whisk, a little stir thing, some sweetened condensed milk, and your Kool-Aid, whatever flavor. I normally like the strawberry fin, but today we're gonna try something new. And your handy dandy can opener, and that's all you need in a bowl if you want. But normally I stir it up in this. We're gonna be fancy today. So you open this, and you need all of it because I'm making 2 pies, so you need the big one. You're gonna pour it all in there. I ain't gonna be able to eat this, but we sure gonna show y'all how to make it. Just get as much as you can out. Look at that. It's white. You're gonna open one and pour it in there, the whole thing. Y'all saw that muscle? Yeah. I know y'all want to see my face, but y'all ain't gonna get to see it today. I know y'all want to see it though. Pour this whole thing in there. Pour the whole thing. Smell good. Stir it up a little bit. Stir it up. You kind of want it. I'm gonna open another one. I'm just gonna pour half for right now because when I add my Kool-Aid, it's gonna kind of change the texture. Should open it all the way. Half. There we go. And like I said, I want strawberry kiwi. Nephew, what other one should I get? I got blue raspberry. Or should I just keep it simple? Or should I mix it?
Yeah, mix it up.
Which one should I mix? We got tropical punch and strawberry kiwi. We're gonna pour these on in there. Fun fact, Kool-Aid is vegan. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. I'm getting hot. Look at that. See that? Then we're gonna stir it up. It's turning pink. It's getting thick. See how it's not falling? It's getting thick. Just stir it up. Till it's the color you like. or whatever color Kool-Aid you got. It could use a little more milk. This is what makes it sweet. I see people add sugar, but baby, this sweet right here. Nephew, can you give me a spoon? My nephew, my assistant today, y'all, because he been begging me to make this. I like to stir with both, just because I think this one stirs better than the spoon and gets out the Kool-Aid. And you can make this with kids and then not get so messy. Look at it, it's so pretty. It's a pretty pink. Thank you, nephew. I'll get all this sweetener out of here. Since I'm giving this to my nephew, I'm gonna make it a little more sweet because that's the way he likes stuff. Just add a little more of that right there. And get the rest of this out of here. But if you ain't never had this, go on and make it because it is lick your fingers good. Stir that up again. Make sure you get all your Kool-Aid from the sides of the bowl. And now, I'm gonna let my nephew taste it. Taste that right there, nephew. It's good, but it's not sweet enough.
You know that thing grandmother be making with the marshmallows?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. It's good.
Oh, okay. All right, so you open up your graham cracker crust. Get a big spoon, put it on in there. Push it down a little bit. And I like to not fill them up until I got the other one filled, just to make sure I got enough for both of them. So I'm gonna do 2 spoons in that one. I'm gonna open this one up. Spoons in there. And since I still got more in my bowl, I'm gonna just put some until they both full, or fuller, if that's a word. Telling y'all, these is summer treats. Summer treats right here. When I was a kid. You want that? So I'm gonna just fill them both on up. Until all my little mixture right here is gone. good enough for me. I think that's full right there. And you're just gonna put this in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours. Take this out. Flip it out. Ooh, let me take that out too. Take the little sticky stuff out. You're gonna put this in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours, like I just said. And I'm gonna come back to y'all and have my nephew taste test it for you. I already know it's smackalicious good, but we still gonna go and do that. And what flavors was these? Strawberry, kiwi, tropical punch. So I'll get back to y'all in 3 to 4 hours.
1 hour later.
Okay, you guys, so now it's been about 3.5 hours. And like I said, you can just put it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours. And oops, this is how you know it's done. It's not shaky like it was when I first put it in there. So I'm gonna let my nephew taste test. I already know it's good because your girl, like I said, this smackalicious. So I'm just gonna cut a tiny piece and put it on a napkin. Bounty, bounty, bounty. Y'all forgive me. And okay, all right, taste it.
I already know it's gonna be nasty.
Boy, stop playing with me. Look at that. 1 out of 10. Give me 1 out of 10. One out of 10. Like a 9.
9.5.
9.5. All right, y'all. But you can pick whatever flavor you want. This is our first time trying this flavor. And like I said, I normally do strawberry fin. Try that one. If you haven't, go ahead and make this simple and easy recipe for summer. Thank you guys for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Yes, look at that beauty right there. Bye, guys.